Oftentimes when you're out shooting handheld, it's very difficult to get a straight on shot. Sometimes your camera may be tilted a little bit, and you just can't put a tripod up. So one of the things that we're going to talk about now is how to straighten your images. And by straightening, what I mean is picking something and making that horizontal. So let me show you what I mean. All right, so for this lesson, I'm going to be using campus.jpg, which is a picture that I shot at a local campus here. And we'll just zoom in. And if we take a look, we've got kind of this kind of angled roof line here. Let's just go ahead and get a rectangular marquee. You can see if I draw a marquee around this and zoom in, that I may be on the tip of that right there, or let's say right here, the corner of this building. However, at the other end, I'm all the way at the top. So there is a variance here. And what we want to do is use some of our tools to fix this problem so this can actually be a workable image. Now, to make this happen, what we're going to do is under the eyedropper, there's a tool called the ruler tool. And so if I click and drag anywhere, I'll create this little line. And this line gives me some information. So up here it tells me where my X and Y position are, my width and height. It tells me the angle and the length of my line. Okay, so if I make a shorter or longer one, it tells me my line. So pretty cool. What I'm going to do is draw a line, okay, from the bottom here of this molding and then all the way across to the other side. Now that I have that made, what I'm going to do is go in and press the straighten. Now let me just zoom out a couple steps here, because what happens when you choose straighten is this will actually rotate the image and crop the image, which is really cool. So let's hit straighten, see what we get. Okay, beautiful. It's still not 100% straight, so let's try this one more time. And again, I'm going to zoom in. And once you draw the lines, you can actually pick them up and move them. So you can see I was off a little bit there. There we go. We'll straighten that again. Beautiful. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Nice. So by doing this, let me revert this. Here's before, and here's after. And you can see it went through and cropped certain parts and rotated the image. And again, not all of your images may need straightening, but this is a great way of really tightening up your perspective lines, or if you have something that you have in the scene that you want completely straight, it's an easy way to fix that for you while you're in kind of the editing mode.